Hello. So in this video, we are calculating the absolute value expression at a particular point. So for this, we really are just going to basically plug in the number, calculate down, apply the absolute value sort of once the inside is fully sort of simplified down to a number, and calculate. Okay. So here we have absolute value of minus 3x minus 2 plus 6. Right, that's our original. And we want it at x equals 3. So we're going to do minus 3 times 3, just plugging in 3 for x, minus 2 plus 6. So minus 3 times 3 is minus 9 minus 2, which is, putting these together, minus 11. And now absolute value, remember, makes things positive, right? So it's going to turn that negative 11 into a positive 11. And that gets me 11 plus 6 is 17. So I took the original expression, right? Replaced the x with the value of x I wanted, x equals 3. Then calculated down, applied the absolute value once it was the only thing in there, right? The number is the only thing in there, because then I know like the entire interior is positive or negative. So did the absolute value part and then put things together, and that's it. Hello. So in this video, we are calculating an absolute value. So we're just going to plug in the x value and go through, right? Again, remembering that we got to make sure that the interior is one number before we actually apply the absolute value. So here I have my absolute value of 2 times, and now I want when x is 1, so I'm going to plug in 1 minus 4 times 1 minus 6 minus 3 times 1 plus 1. Okay? And now I'm just going to simplify. So here I have 2 times 1 squared. So 1 squared is 1 times 2. It's just 2 minus 4 times 1 minus 4 minus 6 minus 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1. So here I have 2 minus 4 minus 6, so the negatives together is negative 10, plus 2 is negative 8. Here I have minus 3 plus 1, so that's going to be a minus 2. And now I have only one thing, right, one term in here, so I can apply the absolute value, right? And I know this is negative, makes it positive, so that becomes 8 minus 2. And if you want, you can even put parentheses. It never hurts to put parentheses. You don't actually need them in this case, but still, doesn't hurt. 8 minus 2 is 6. And now I have my number. It is that straightforward. Okay, there we go. Hello. So in this one, we are computing an absolute value. So we're just going to go ahead and plug in the x value, simplify until we get one number inside the absolute value, and then evaluate that, and then continue simplifying. So here we have 13 minus 2 absolute value. So I'm doing this for x equals negative 7. So I'm going to have negative 7 plus 1, close absolute value, minus 7. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and simplify. So I have 13 minus 7, so that's going to be 20, minus 2 absolute value. Negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6. So now I have one term inside, so I can apply the absolute value. So I'm going to have 20 minus 2 times. So now it's sort of helpful to have the parenthesis. Again, you could just do like a dot or something instead if you wanted. So this makes it positive. So then I have 20 minus 2 times 6 is 12. Right, to be clear, these are all, not that I need to write it, but they're all equal. And 20 minus 12 is 8. And that's it. So again, simplify everything until you get one number inside, and then you can apply it. You're making it positive, and then continue simplifying. That's it.